Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to add your Apple Card to Cash App. Whether you're looking to consolidate your finances or just make transfers a breeze, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Apple Card and Cash App set up on your iPhone. If you don't have Cash App yet, download it from the App Store. Once you're in, open the app and head to the home screen. Tap on the Banking tab at the bottom. It's usually the building icon. Here, you'll see options for your Cash Card or linked accounts. Next, look for the Add Bank or Add Card button. This might be under Linked Accounts or a similar section. When you select it, choose the option to add a debit card, as your Apple Card functions like one. Now, carefully enter your Apple Card details. You'll need the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Nobody likes a declined transaction. After entering the info, Cash App might ask you to verify the card. This could involve a small test deposit or linking through your bank's app. If you're prompted, follow the on-screen instructions, which often include confirming via your iPhone's Wallet app. Once verified, your Apple Card will be linked and ready to use for deposits, payments, or transfers. One quick tip. Always keep an eye on your transaction limits and fees. Apple Card has some restrictions, so check the Cash App help section if you run into any issues. And remember, this process works best on iOS devices, so if you're on Android, you might need to explore other options. There you have it. Adding your Apple Card to Cash App is straightforward and can streamline your money management. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay savvy.